The defendant, as Prime Minister, far from revealing the truth of the December 3rd insurrection and bearing appropriate responsibility, concealed documents related to the declaration of martial law after the fact for the sake of his own personal security. He drafted false official documents to make it appear as though the declaration of martial law had been carried out in accordance with lawful procedures, only to later destroy them, and he committed perjury before the Constitutional Court. During the course of this trial as well, the defendant repeatedly changed his statements falsely and, despite objective evidence such as CCTV footage from the presidential office, claimed that he remembered nothing, thereby seeking only to conceal the truth and evade responsibility. As a result of the defendant's attempts to conceal the truth and escape responsibility, political fragmentation and conflict within our society have been further intensified, and it does not appear that these wounds and divisions will be easily healed in the future. At the second hearing of this trial, the defendant stated merely that he had been unable to publicly intervene regarding the December 3rd insurrection because various legal reviews were required. However, after this court at its own initiative added charges of participation in insurrection through official duties, conducted evidentiary examinations, including the playback of CCTV footage from the presidential office and the examination of witnesses, and the defendant's criminal conduct was exposed, placing him at the threshold of criminal punishment. He was compelled, only at the stage of his final statement, to express remorse, stating that he felt deeply sorry for the suffering and confusion endured by the armed forces. The sincerity of this apology, however, is difficult to acknowledge. There is no material whatsoever indicating that the defendant is genuinely remorseful, or that he has made any effort to restore the harm suffered by the state and the people as a result of his criminal conduct. Taking these circumstances, along with all other sentencing factors, into comprehensive consideration, the court determines the sentence as set forth below. Order: the defendant is hereby sentenced to 23 years of imprisonment.